So, this is Zhiyun's latest light, the X60. What do you get in the Pro Kit? Let's have a look together. Lovely padded case as usual from Zhiyun. Let's move this out of the way. Lovely carry pouch for some accessories. We get the charger as per usual, a USB-C cable, and the power cable. Here we have a diffuser with a tiny little dish. Pretty cute. Check out that branding though. Of course, in the Pro Kit, you have to have this beautiful battery, Zhiyun branded. And then the star of the show, take a look at that. Look at the size of it. It's gorgeous, isn't it? This will definitely make it easy to travel with. Anyways, that's what's in the back.